channel. Today we are going to do a natural eye look with, like, I'm thinking a bold lip. I did my brows, my foundation, highlighter, bronzer, blush, all that jazz. And I'll tell you all what I used. I used the Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir Foundation in the shade 705. And then I used my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. And then I just set it with the Coty Airspun powder, my bronzer on, and I just used the Colourpop Alexis Ren and Colourpop Topaz highlighter and bronzer duo. I just used this. I used the bronzer, and the bronzer is Golden Moment. And then I used a little bit of the GlamBronze Loreal bronzer on top. For blush, I went in with Pearlescent Pink from Wet n Wild. These blushes are super, super affordable, and they're very, very pigmented. So these I love, and I would highly recommend getting these at the drugstore. Amazing blushes for drugstore. And then I went with my highlight, the Sleek Makeup Highlighting Palette, the Solstice Highlighting Palette. And I used this one and a little bit of that one. So those two on my cheekbones, you know, a little bit on the forehead, nose, Cupid's bow. And then on top of that, I hadn't used this yet and I really, really wanted to use it. So I put a little bit of that on the higher points. Is the Maybelline Master Holographic Highlighter. Now, it's a prismatic highlighter. This is more of, I would say, a highlighter topper instead of just a regular highlighter. And let me see if you can see right there. And there is like kind of glitter in it. You can see. And I don't mind it because I love glitter. But if you're someone who doesn't like glitter as a highlighter or have specks of it in their highlighter, this probably won't be for you. But I have no problems with it. So far I've liked it. Oh, well, my brows, I just used the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. Okay, so I wanted to do all that because I kind of want to focus on the eyes and the lips today. Let's do the eyes. And I'm just going to curl my lashes with what little lashes I have. I don't have big lashes or long lashes. Okay, I think that's the best I can do. And I just got this eyelash curler off Amazon. It's the Brilliant Beauty eyelash curler, and I think it was $12.99. And with the Maybelline Lash Stiletto mascara. I will say I am gonna put falsies on, but that's just because I really don't have any lashes, so like lashes, they help me out. See, even if I just do mascara, you can't really see my lashes because they're just so short, and I hate it. I like it. It's a pretty good mascara. I mean, it really lengthened them. Oh, I probably should have done the eyeshadow first. Get it together, Rachel. Get it together. So I think I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Carli bybel palette. This is the deluxe edition. I don't want to do too much on my eyes because we're going to focus it more on the bold lip. So I think I'm just going to run like a few transition colors or something. Take this one right here. And I'm just using a Sigma E40 brush, tapered blending brush. Then I think I'll go in with this darker brown. Also a tip, if you just want to put like a transition shade in your crease, you can easily just use like one of your bronzers that you used on your face. You can just put that in your crease and you're good to go. And since we're just doing minimal eye makeup, I did my foundation and stuff first, but technically when I do like kind of really bold or a lot of shadow, I always do my eyes first and then I go in with my foundation and all that stuff. Just because if there's fallout, I don't want to ruin the foundation and all the concealer and powder and all that stuff, and I'd have to wipe it off and basically restart again. So, but this time we're just doing like basically one color, and we don't need to worry about that. Also, if you're one of those people that likes to do their foundation and stuff first, no matter what you can do is take any like loose powder, like this one, put like a lot of it under your eyes, and then if anything falls if anything falls down from your eyeshadow, you can just take one of your big powder brushes and just swipe it away, and you won't get anything on your foundation. No smudging of the shadow, nothing. So that's also a good tip. Man! Whew! So you should get something kind of like this. Okay, that's good to go. And now we can do lashes. But if you don't want to, you definitely don't have to use lashes for this look. I'm going to be using the Ardell Double lashes. Oops. Right here. They are pretty. And they're pretty natural for me because I like really dramatic lashes. So these are pretty natural. Okay, these are the lashes on. And I really, really like these. Like, a lot. I didn't think I would, but I like them. I'm going to take any black eyeliner, and you want to make sure to tight line, which is not on the waterline, like right up there. It's so hard for me to do sometimes. I dread it. But you want to make sure to do that because if you look up, I don't know if you could see, like, I can see there's like a gap of like skin. Take any black eyeliner and just run it along that so that way it blends together. That's as best as I can get. So I just did it. I hope I got enough of the black eyeliner up there, but it's just so hard for me because I blink and then it's a process for me. I don't know. Now let's put a nude eyeliner. 1 second. I gotta sharpen my pencil. And just run that on your waterline. Since it's such a natural eye look going on, I didn't want to put black on the waterline because just black seems too intense right now. So I just thought nude is better. It opens up the eye. It's like bright. It's like, does a world of a difference. Excuse the faces. Oh, and you probably put some highlight in the inner corner. That's always really nice. We'll use the same one we used on our cheeks, the Sleek highlighter palette. a tip, if you want to intensify your inner corner highlight, just spray it with any setting spray. I'm going to just use the Fix Plus. Gotta open it. Okay, just lightly, and then go in with it. See how that just like bam intensified it? It's like magic. Sorry, those are my kids if you can hear them. I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. Now we do lips. So I'm gonna go bold. I haven't worn this color yet, but it's from Dose of Colors, and it's in the shade Hot Fire. It's with the Desi and Katy collection. We're just gonna go in. Alright guys, and this is the finished look. I really, really like it. I really like how it turned out. I'm loving this lip color for sure. Lashes, love it. I love the transition color that I just did, like boom, boom, done. I love it. I'm loving this. I'm sorry. I'm weird. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put all my face stuff that I use down below in the description box. I will also put my social media in the description box in case you wanted to check it out. But I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!